there, it's Tia. Monday's lunch bento is a super easy caprese pasta salad. I'll have it linked in the description. It's basically whole wheat rotini in a balsamic vinaigrette with caprese ingredients. On the left is stone fire non-crisps in the garlic cheese flavor, fresh raspberries, fresh blackberries, some pesto-marinated olives I got at the local produce store, and in the center is some fresh pineapple that I cut to fit in that center area. Okay, see you tomorrow. Tuesday's bento is half a tuna sandwich, which is just Duke's mayonnaise and celery with alfalfa sprouts on Silver Hill sprouted power bread, some more of the Stonefire non-crackers, this time in the cheddar cheese flavor. These are amazing. Cubed fresh pineapple, some of the Target Good and Gather plain hummus sprinkled with a little paprika, fresh raspberries, English cucumbers sliced in the center, and a baby bell. Okay, see you tomorrow. Wednesday's bento is peanut sesame soba noodles, which is basically, I just made a peanut sauce and mixed soba noodles and sprinkled black sesame seeds on top. Some shelled edamame I got in the freezer section. Some leftover sliced chicken cutlets, mandarin orange, some fresh blackberries, and some fresh red pepper strips in the center. Okay, see you Thursday. For Thursday, I brought leftovers. We had shrimp tacos last night, so I put some romaine lettuce down, and then that's black bean corn salsa in the main compartment. Then I have some seasoned taco shrimp on the left, some more of the fresh pineapple, some fresh salsa I got at the local produce store, a little sour cream I had left over from my HelloFresh, a lime wedge, and some tortilla strips in the center. Okay, see you tomorrow. Hey there, for Friday, I actually have 2 bentos. I had an extra long day, so I brought kind of a snacky one for the afternoon with carrots, cherry tomatoes, cauliflower, and celery sticks, and some Mary's Gone crackers in the super seed flavor, 3 wee brie wedges, some ranch dip I got at the local produce store, and some fresh blueberries. And I'll show you the breakfast one now. The breakfast bento is some plain Greek yogurt with cinnamon, some fresh blueberries, some of the Target Good and Gather grain-free coconut granola mixed with chia seeds, some Inspired Organics coconut chips, and a honey packet to drizzle.